All right, man, start doing these exercises consistently and you'll start to notice arm growth in no time. Arms are one of the most visible and appealing muscle groups on the human body. Most everyone who starts working out wants to have bigger arms. If you want to build bigger arms, you've got to prioritize your triceps training. The biggest mistake I see people making when it comes to adding size to their arms is that they think the size comes from the biceps, and they tend to spend a lot of time doing bicep curls. However, the triceps make up 2/3 of your overall arm size. With that said, let me show you some of my favorite triceps exercises that will help you add inches to your arms, man. All right, let's get started. All right, man, start doing these exercises consistently and you'll start to notice arm growth in no time. Before I go, if you want to see some additional workout tips that I upload several times per week, then check out our Instagram account where I upload different fitness tips daily. Go to Instagram and search for the official Live Anabolic page and make sure you follow us so you don't miss out on any of the workout tips, nutrition tips that I've been sharing. With that said, get busy, get after it, and God bless.